Hello everyone and welcome back on my YouTube channel. Before starting with the main topic of today's video, I want to share some useful information and some updates about the 2024 season. First of all, my channel is growing. Since the beginning of this year I've got around 200 subscribers, so right now we are around 1,300 people, and it's very cool. I'm so happy about that, and I'm so happy that all of you are enjoying and finding useful the videos that I'm publishing right now during this winter break. Finally, in around 1.5 months, I'm coming back to Rc Rally races. The season is starting, and I hope that the video that I've published in these months are going to help you to start Rc Rally, or in general to improve your performances if you are already a Rc Rally racer. Talking about the events, in the community section of my YouTube channel, I've published the calendar where I'm supposed to go to race. Of course, I'm going to race here in Poland, mainly in two Rc RallyChampionships, the Małopolska Liga Rajdowa and the Śląska Liga Rajdowa, and also I'm going to race in Czech Republic, in Moravia Cup, maybe next cup, and let's see what I will be able to do. So the calendar is going to be useful because it will help you to understand where I'm going to race, and maybe we can meet during a Rc Rally event and race together. Talking about the next season, as you already know, I'm switching from Tamiya XB01 into a Xray XB4 converted into Rc Rally. If you would like to know more about this choice, I already made a video that I'm going to put in the description. For the next season, I'm not going only to change the chassis, but also the body of my Rc Rally car. Here we have a Lancia Delta Integrale from Killer Body. Honestly, I prefer the one from Tamiya because it has better proportions. But in this Xray XB4 converted into Rc Rally, I'm going to race with a very large wheelbase, and the Tamiya's body, it's a bit more narrow. It's 190 millimeters. Meanwhile, this is 200 millimeters, so it's going to fit in a better way. Here are already some spoilers about how I'm going to paint my body. It will have, let's say, a Dario RC Garage livery, but you will see more about this in the upcoming weeks. Talking about the chassis that I'm going to use, is going to be a Xray XB4 from 2016 that I'm going to convert into Rc Rally. In today's video, I'm going to show you the core of this rally car. I mean the modified chassis. The most important thing of this chassis are these two plates. One is completely flat and the other one has an angle here on the front, because the flat one is going to be used in the on-road rally. Meanwhile, this one is going to be used in off-road rally in order to have a good caster in the front of the car. All these parts are completely customized. I'm going to assemble this chassis in order to make you understand in a better way what I mean. And I'm not doing all of this alone, but with Michał, my friend, that we can say it's our chief engineer. And not only, because other Polish modelers are also helping us creating some customized parts that we need, like this drive shaft. Okay. Let's assemble this chassis, and later on I'm going to explain you more about how it's going to look and to work. Okay, we can already see something. This is the shortened metal plate, and these 3D printed elements are going to hold everything in place. We are going to have the engine in a mid-front position, and on this side the battery. This front part of the chassis is going to be the cover for the servo, and it's going to protect the engine and the electronics from the debris coming from the front tires. As you can see, the chassis is getting a shape. This is not the final build, this is just to have an idea for myself and also in order to show you how it's going to look. Of course, the screws, all these things are not the perfect size that I will need, but it's very important for me in order to understand which steps I will need to take in order to build it in the best possible way. These are some additional parts designed and 3D printed by Michał. They're going to cover the engine and the spur gear. Okay, this is, let's say, the heart of this modified Rc Rally chassis. And just to show you, this is a drive shaft made just for this chassis by our friend Wojtek. Because what Michał did while was designing this chassis was to put this part more to the rear. In fact, we are going to use a different drive shaft, longer. That is going to be placed in this way. So this is the first step in order to assemble my next Rc Rally car. We have this shortened aluminium plate, we have this customized rear drive shaft, and I just need to assemble everything around. I will make more videos about this chassis in order to explain you every aspect in the best possible way. For today's video, the goal was to show you the first steps that I'm making for preparing myself in the best possible way for this 2024 season. If you have any question, leave a comment and remember to subscribe and leave a like in order to support my channel. I think that's all, and see you next week with a new video. Ciao!